All right, we're ready. What's wrong? Yeah. What you doing? Wait a second. We have to make some adjustments. We have to take the receiver out because right now it has oil in it. It's got an aura in it. Well, it ain't a piece of junk, just that you don't know how to set up the computer on it. Then you need to take out the. All right, and then you don't need the 5 gyro. You don't need it. So what we'll do, we'll take it out and put another receiver. All right. All right. Have a great day. That is the SKYWING LASER 250, right? Is that correct? All right. You done?